Gemini 2.5 from Google is just released, and this is absolutely huge because it comes with huge upgrades in coding performance, math performance, and so many other things. And today I'm going to show you the benchmarks and how you can use it for absolutely free right now. So let's get started because this was just announced. We're literally first on the internet to cover this, and it's ranked #1 on LM Arena by a significant margin as well. So we're going to see the benchmarks. After that, I'm going to show you how you can access it right now and start using it. And in the next few days, few weeks, we will be using it to create amazing things together. This is so exciting because this model is free to use. It's state-of-the-art reasoning model. This is literally insane. And if you see here, it's #1. It even passes Grok 3, which is insane. It's better than GPT 4.5, better than Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking, 2.0 Pro. This is a big leap in performance, guys. This is absolutely insane. I gotta say, this is absolutely amazing. So let's go over the announcement. So Gemini 2.5 models are thinking models capable of reasoning through their thoughts. Great. And with the new Gemini version, they get a new level of performance by combining a significant enhanced base model with improved post-training. And what they will be doing going forward is building these capabilities directly into the models. So introducing Gemini 2.5 Pro. So this is experimental right now, so we can probably see even more improvements very, very soon. It has strong reasoning and code capabilities for common coding, math, and science benchmarks. It is available on Google AI Studio and Gemini application for Gemini Advanced users. Here we can see the benchmarks, how it compares to O3 Mini, GPT 4.5, Claude Sonnet 3.7 with extended thinking, guys, and Grok 3 Beta with extended thinking. Also DeepSeek R1. So on humanities, last exam, let me zoom in a little bit on this benchmark. It gets state-of-the-art performance. This is incredible. And it beats all of the others by quite a big margin. On this GPQA Diamond, with a single attempt, it has state-of-the-art performance. It's not benchmarked for multiple attempts. On mathematics 2025 benchmark, it's again state-of-the-art for single attempt. On 2024, again, it's like the best model by quite a big margin. This is incredible. On Live Code Bench, it's not the best model, but it's doing quite well compared to competition. O3 Mini is probably the benchmark for this specific thing, and it goes pretty well. It has Grok 3 performance at this point. On Aider Pyglot, which is for code editing, it goes very, very well, state-of-the-art performance. But you should keep the second number here because it's the actual benchmarks to the other models. On the agentic coding, it has a good performance, a little worse than Claude 3.7 Sonnet. On simple QA, it's not doing amazingly well. Again, it's a little worse than GPT 4.5. But in terms of reasoning models, it does better than the rest. On visual reasoning, it does a very good job, which seems to, it's a multimodal reasoning model. So that's big, that's important. And it has also a very big context of 1 million tokens, and it's doing a very good job with long contexts. So that's amazing. So looking at the enhanced reasoning paradigm, this is state of the art. This is literally one of the best models you can use. So this is a very, very good and capable model that comes out from Google. This is really amazing. So let's see a video. This is a dinosaur game demo. Make me a captivating endless runner game, no HTML. Okay, so we see the prompt, it's running, and this is like the game. Okay, so this is absolutely amazing. And the context window is going to increase to 2 million tokens very, very soon. It can include modalities such as text, audio, images, video, and entire code bases, probably due to the long context window. And we can get started on Google AI Studio, but if you're a Gemini Advanced user, you can also use it there. And it is also available on Vertex AI in the coming weeks. So this is a very major step in the competition. This is a SOTA model coming out. So in order to access it, you need to go into the Google AI Studio. You need to sign in, and here you want to select Gemini 2.5 Pro. You are allowed to use 2 requests per minute, 50 requests per day with a free version. Knowledge cutoff is January 2025. So this shows when the model was actually last trained, which is very, very good. And we can use it for free up to these limits. So I'm super excited to test it out. Okay, so we're going to ask it to write an SEO optimized teaching page for transformer models. Let's check it out. Click run and it will start running. Again, you can see some artifacts on the screen. I'm sorry for that, but I'm using the Opera browser, which is a little buggy. You probably won't have these kind of problems. Again, try to stay within reasoning, procedures. And what we ask it is to write an SEO optimized teaching page for transformers. This is the page title. This is the URL, Slack, meta description. It's also so fast. It runs so fast that it is amazing. And it already thinks for a long time, like 36 seconds. All right, so this is interesting. Frequently asked questions. It literally gives you all of the things that's going to add to the page. And this is a draft for the SEO optimized teaching page. So I'm going to ask it implement this page and we're going to ask it to implement this page using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Again, I'm not here to benchmark it to show you how good it is. The benchmarks speak for themselves. It's actually so amazing that it is so fast to generate its thinking. It understands the goal, the structure. I'm super excited to see state-of-the-art models that are free, that are cheap, that are fast, that are pushing reasoning, coding, and all of these things forward. I'm super excited for these kind of things. And I'm super excited to see how we can use this Gemini 2.5 Pro to create amazing things. And this is what we will be doing in the next few weeks. This is so exciting to me. And I really hope that you also are excited. So I don't know if we can actually preview this HTML page, but you can see all of the code here. So save the HTML content as indexed HTML, styles, script, and top-end HTML. Okay, so it actually responded us with all of the things that we asked it to do. Okay, so this is the result that we get. So this is like a report-like thing out of it. This is HTML with the CSS. It explains all of the things, the benefits, what the problems were, the breakthroughs. And this is very great to actually start understanding loads of things. Here is a placeholder for diagram, input embeddings. It also highlights specific words, multi-head attention, the layers, everything. It explains the whole transformer. It also links to resources that you can check out. I would say this could be very, very good in agentic mode inside Cursor, Visual Studio Code. And this seems like a capable model. I don't want to go more in depth with the benchmarks. We're going to see amazing things from the community in the next few days. So yeah, this is the announcement. Go to Google AI Studio to check it out. Tell me, what you think about it. It has 1 million context window. It will jump up to 2 million context window. They will do several improvements through this experimental version, in my opinion. And Google is really back in the game. Before we finish this video, if you are looking to learn more things about AI, I have a variety of free AI courses. You can find the link for them down below in the description. These are hosted on Udemy. You can join for absolutely free, finish them, and learn a bunch of stuff about AI. Also, if you're interested in other AI tools, go ahead and check the AI tool list. It's down below in the description. We've got a variety of tools like image generators, automation tools, AI coding. And let me know if you want to see more tutorials about Gemini 2.5. Maybe we can try creating something with it. Just let me know. Thanks so much for watching.